HTC Disassembly, screen replacement and repair. If you want to buy a replacement screen, screwdrivers and other parts, you can order from us here. HTC Legend screen tools required for disassembly: Torx 5 screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, plastic tools such as a guitar plectrum, a credit card. First, remove the battery cover by pushing in the direction shown by the arrows below. With the battery cover removed, your phone should look like below. Now lift the part that prevents the battery moving from the point indicated by the arrow. It goes back and forth on a hinge. Tip the phone up and the battery should slide out in the direction shown by the arrows. Next, remove the 6 screws circled below. The screws circled in red are Torx screws. The screws circled in blue are Phillips screws, and the screws circled in white are the silver screws. Make sure the different screws go back in the right slots. Now remove the camera cover by lever it out from the point shown. To do so, slide something very thin in between the black part and the metal part. Be careful, as you do not want to mark your phone. Below is a close-up of the camera cover so you can see the clips which hold it in place. The biggest clip is on the side, so it's easiest to lever it out from this point, as shown in the previous stage. Your phone should now look like below. Remove the 2 screws you can see. Now push your screwdriver in at the point shown below and lever the metal housing a little. The main body of the phone will then be free. You can now slide the main body of the phone out of the metal housing, as shown below. Your phone should now look like below. Lift the keypad away to reveal 2 screws. Remove these screws. Turn the phone over. Make note where the red part, indicated by the arrow, goes, as it may come loose in the next stage. And now release the clips on either side of the phone and you should be able to remove another part of the housing. Your phone should look like below. Remove the 2 screws you can see. 2 ribbon connectors, circled, also need to be disconnected. Each attaches like a plug-in socket. Just lever each one up to unplug. 2 more ribbon connectors need to be disconnected, circled below. This type of connector is called as-if connector. The black part is a latch which opens and closes on a hinge. Carefully lift the latch up and then pull the ribbon out. Another ribbon needs to be disconnected. It attaches like a plug-in socket. Just lever it up to unplug. You can now lift the circuit board away, as shown below. Pull back the buttons for the keypad, indicated by the arrow. 3 more ribbon connectors need to be disconnected, circled below. This type of connector is called as-if connector. The black part is a latch which opens and closes on a hinge. Carefully lift the latch up and then pull the black part at the bottom of the phone away from the circuit board. Your phone should now look like below. Now heat the touch screen around its edge using a hot air gun or hairdryer. This will release the adhesive holding it in place. Now carefully slide something like a credit card under the screen. Apply some more heat as you do so. The LCD and touch screen should now be free from the metal frame, as shown below. Now turn the screen over and carefully peel the ribbon, circled below, away from the back of the LCD. Your phone should now look like below. The LCD and touch screen can now be separated. Your phone should now look like below. Reverse the whole procedure for reassembly. If you've found this disassembly guide useful, please support repaiir.co.uk and order the tools and parts you need from our site. We ship worldwide. If you have any questions about how to take apart and repair your broken HTC Legend, email rob.lee@repaiir.co.uk or post a comment below for further help with HTC Legend disassembly.